Welcome back to the Speed Wheels. Today we're reviewing one of the most unbelievable machines ever created, the Rolls-Royce Futuristic Motorhome, also known as the Road Yacht. Just look at the front. A massive panoramic glass cockpit, smooth aerodynamic curves, and a glossy black body that reflects everything like a mirror. This isn't just a motorhome. It looks like a luxury spaceship built for the road. From the side, the Road Yacht looks absolutely jaw-dropping. Those full-length glass walls make it look like a luxury apartment traveling on wheels. Inside lighting and furniture are visible even from outside, giving it a floating penthouse vibe. The long multi-axle wheel setup gives it dominance and perfect stability on the road. The rear design is straight out of a sci-fi movie. Smooth flowing curves, futuristic taillights, and yacht-style fins make it look like something designed for the next century. It is elegant, premium, and incredibly futuristic from every angle. Stepping inside feels like entering a floating 5-star suite. Automatic sliding doors, warm ambient lights, and marble flooring welcome you with pure elegance. From the very first step, you feel the classic Rolls-Royce craftsmanship. The living room is a masterpiece. Floor-to-ceiling windows give you panoramic views as you travel. Premium sofas, beautiful wooden accents, and soft ambient lighting create a luxury apartment feel, all inside a moving vehicle. The kitchen is nothing like a traditional RV. It's a fully equipped luxury space with gold trim appliances, glossy countertops, and modern cabinets. Perfect for long journeys without compromising comfort or style. A master bedroom feels like a high-end hotel suite. A king-size bed, beautiful lighting, and a giant window with a stunning view make this the perfect relaxation space. It feels private, calm, and extremely luxurious. The bathroom looks like a mini spa. Marble walls, rainfall shower, and golden fixtures turn daily routines into luxury moments. Rolls-Royce doesn't just offer travel, it offers pure wellness on wheels. The cockpit looks like a spaceship control room. A holographic dashboard, AI-assisted driving, and the gigantic panoramic view create an advanced and effortless driving experience. It feels smooth, silent, and futuristic. Performance-wise, you can expect a powerful electric or hybrid Rolls-Royce drive system. The motorhome glides quietly, smoothly, and effortlessly on the highway. Its multi-axle steering makes maneuvering surprisingly easy for such a massive machine. Now let's talk about the price. If Rolls-Royce ever puts this into production, experts estimate anywhere from $5 million to $10 million, depending on the customizations. This is not just a vehicle, it's a billionaire lifestyle statement, a luxury home, and a futuristic masterpiece all in one.